What up, YouTube? Welcome to 2025, guys. Just to show you where we're sitting at with the car. Obviously, you guys can see we have the billet oil pan, motorcycle day, guys. But we do have the 7-quart oil pan. Obviously, you guys can see we do have the headers in. I'm just way down to tighten up some more, all the headers back up. And that way the new K member could sit it in the car. And that way we are pretty much locked in underneath it. You guys can obviously see the return line for the supercharger is right here. So yeah, guys, we are getting there. We are close. I'm getting there. We go on the other side. Passenger side, you guys can see we have the oil pan and we have the other headers. Once I get all this tightened up, guys, the new K member is going to be fitted in, and that way pretty much the motor and everything's locked in again, and we can start putting the A-arms on, springs, shocks, all the great stuff. Once we get all that done, then we get the new front wheels put on, get the car sitting back down, and then from there is the supercharger. And obviously we do have to do the feed line for the supercharger, so we'll do that right now before. But I just want to show you what we have done so far for 2025 is how much we have completed so far with the front. Very, very close to finishing it and having the K member in and get everything tightened back up and back in the business, guys. Just a quick little video, nothing crazy, guys. I just want to show you the progress so far so you guys can see. And obviously, being in year 2025, we're starting off the year great. And obviously, you guys can see the return line for the supercharger. But yeah, guys, you're very, very close on finishing it up. So stay tuned. We have so much more to finish. Obviously, the back end is pretty much done. Obviously, you guys can see the beautiful interior. We still got finished a new gauge setup. Even though I did one, I finally got NOS. New stock parts. Obviously, we talked about the carbon fiber hood already. But stay tuned, guys. We have more videos coming. I just want to give you an update video for 2025. So stay tuned. I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.